In this video, I'll show you how to connect your GitHub account to N8 so you can automate your development tasks easily. Start on your n8n dashboard and open the Credential section from the left menu. At the top right, click Create Credential, then use the search bar to type GitHub and choose
Don't forget to like and subscribe, so go ahead and hit that button.
and choose GitHub OAuth 2 API. A new setup window appears, and you don't need to enter anything manually. Just click Connect My Account. N8 will open a GitHub pop-up asking you to log in or confirm your account. Review the permissions GitHub requests and click Authorize to continue. The window closes, and N8 shows a successful connection with a green status. Make sure to save your credential. That's it! Your GitHub account is now linked to n8n, and you can start creating automated workflows for issues, repositories, pull requests, and more without any manual work.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips.